Hi, I'm Terry and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Dinner time shouldn't be stressful, and today's recipe is proof of that. This chicken taco casserole is the definition of easy comfort food. It's a crowd pleaser that hits the table in under 30 minutes, and it's incredibly versatile. I love recipes like this because you can modify the layers to suit even the pickiest eaters in your house. Grab your apron and your favorite baking dish and let's make some magic happen. Okay, we're going to try this again. Our footage got corrupted, so I'm going to show you what I've done already. I had 4 cups of shredded chicken, and this is chicken that I just put in my crock pot, let it cook overnight, and then shredded the next morning. You can do that ahead of time, put it in your freezer. You can use your Instant Pot as well. Then I added 2 cups of a jarred salsa. Pick your favorite salsa, mild, hot, whatever your family likes. And I added 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Now this is the taco seasoning that I make myself, keep in my cupboard all the time. I'll have a link to the video for this in the description. Okay, now I'm using an 8x8 foil container just for ease of cleanup. You can use an 11x7 casserole dish or a 2-quart casserole dish. I'm using foil. Doesn't make any difference. The food inside's all the same. Inside of this, I put the equivalent of 1 can of refried beans. Now you can see it looks like it's got chicken in it already. It's because I put the chicken on top and had to take it back off so that I could show you the layers that we were putting in. I make my refried beans ahead and then freeze them in what is the equivalent of a 15 or 16 ounce can of refried beans. I have a video also for making this. It's super easy to do. You can season it in the way you want, whether you want it hot and spicy or mild. I'll put a link for that video in the description as well. All right, we're almost back to where we had a problem. Now I'm going to be adding all of my chicken that's covered in salsa and taco seasoning to the top of our beans. That's our next layer. And this is really a big, deep layer of chicken. It makes it fantastic. It's going to fill up this container. Looks like a small container, but it really makes a hefty meal. And it smells good already with just the salsa and the taco seasoning. If you have everything already pre-made, like your beans and your chicken shredded, this is going to take you like 10 minutes to put together. Now I've got 6 ounces of shredded cheese. You can use cheddar. I'm using a Mexican blend, and it's going to go all over. We're going to have our oven preheated to 350, and we're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And it's just until everything is heated through and the cheese is nice and melted and bubbly. Then when it comes out, we'll put some toppings on it, and it'll be ready to serve. You can see how fast this was to put together. Took no time at all. Okay, we're out of the oven, and now we're going to put some toppings on it. I've got about a cup of crushed tortilla chips. Got some shredded lettuce. Have some pico de gallo. This is our recipe that we have on our channel as well. I'll put the link for that video down below too. Fantastic stuff. It's good on everything. You can add sour cream to it, and the versatility comes in the chicken. You can add some chopped chilies, a can of chopped chilies. You can add more jalapeno if you want it spicier. It's all up to you. Quick and easy and no stress involved. Enjoy.